Im.
Very nice. And this is an example of a closed syllable, shiv, and another closed syllable, im. Shiv im means 70. Very nice.
Yes.
Yes. And I think this is something that we can all begin to understand, is that we have, yes, we have open and closed syllables. And if we're mindful of when a syllable is open and when it is closed, it's going to help us in our pronunciation very much. So an open syllable being a single Hebrew consonant together with its vowel, in this case, p, and likewise, the next letter with its vowel is ku. These are open syllables.
Yeah.
And, Gideon, now, if you'd be kind enough to read this bit of Hebrew for us, we'll enjoy hearing the full pronunciation of a Hebrew verse.
Okay. Pekudehem.
Pikudehem. And you know what? Let's try to allow all our followers to unmute. Unless there's a great deal of distortion, I invite everybody to unmute their audio and to try to pronounce the words after Gideon. And let's all enjoy pronouncing the Hebrew words together. Gideon, once more, the first word kindly, and we'll repeat after you.
Pekudehem.
Together all, Pikudehem.
Pekudehem.
Lamate.
Together all, Limate.
Lemate.
Nemate.
Yehuda.
Nice. Together all, Yehuda.
Yehuda.
And that's the Hebrew word for Judah. Next.
Arba'a.
Arba'a. Together all, Arba'a.
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 That's 4.
That's a little tricky, but if you break it into syllables, again, I think you'll find it's not so bad. Let's go slowly together on this one. Ar. Ba.
Ba.
A.
Ar.
Arba'a.
Arba'a.
Very nice. Continue kindly. The
Vishveim.
Vishivim.
Yes, Vishivim.
Very nice. Next.
Elef.
Elef. Together all, Elef.
Elef.
Next.
Veshesh.
Well done. Together all, Vishesh.
Veshesh.
And lastly,
Meot.
Me'ot. Very nice. Those that were numbered of them of the tribe of Judah were 314,600. And we'll continue to take a look at numbers and becoming familiar with finding those numbers inside of the Hebrew verses. Let me just take a census of our own group tonight. Brian, it's so nice to have you.
I can
Margaret,
request
yeah,
that you translate each and every word, word per word.
okay.
Yes.
Why don't we take a minute to do that? Maureen, again, very welcome. So great to have you. And let me emphasize that at the very beginning of every class, it's all about the beginners. And I'm going to be very glad to give you your letters and your start. You kind of came in at the tail end, but never fear, you'll be getting your start at the beginning of every lesson. But yeah, let's take a look at it together. Let's not run away from it so fast. You're right, Joseph.
Yes.
Let me bring it back up. So the first word is pikudehem. It means their count, their counting, or their enumeration.
Number. them.
Their number. That's right. The second word, Joseph, you want to read that one once more time? The second word.
Yes. Mate.
Limate. So here's an example of a word mate, which is tribe. Limate in this case means of the tribes, or of the tribe,
Yep.
namely of the tribe of Yehuda.
Yehuda.
Yehuda is
Limate
Judah.
is Judah.
Yes.
Judah. Yes, Judah.
So now we're going to learn the population of the tribe of Judah. The first word, arba'ah, is 4. The shivim is 70. So that's 74 elef, which is 1,000. So 74,000, the shesh, and 6 me'ot, and 6 100s. So we have 74,600 was the population of the tribe of Judah, the second year of their coming out of Egypt, transversing the desert on their way to the land of Israel. So we'll keep on hammering away at these number verses, and I think it's going to be a great way to get fluent in these numbers. Thank you for bringing me back to it, Joseph. It was a great point.
Thank you.
So again, welcome all, and I'll look forward to continuing with you tomorrow on this stuff. So that'll conclude the lesson for tonight. Brian, again, welcome, and glad to have you with us tonight. We'll see you all tomorrow night.